There is good news for Samsung aficionados. The Galaxy Watch's beloved tactile rotating bezel is making a comeback, and it's expected to be better than ever. Several people were dissatisfied by last year's Galaxy Watch 5 series, which replaced the physical bezel with a digital representation. However, according to a recent report by Korean tipster at Super Rotor, Samsung is bringing back the physical rotating bezel, but only for the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. At Super Rotor, who has a reputation for being right in the past, confirmed that Samsung is indeed bringing back the physical rotating bezel this year. The bezel was a popular feature among Samsung fans, allowing them to navigate through their smartwatches with ease and precision. Sadly, if you're planning on getting the base Galaxy Watch 6, you'll have to make do with the digital bezel. The physical rotating bezel will only be available on the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, which means that you'll have to upgrade to the Pro version to enjoy the beloved feature. Furthermore, that's not all. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will reportedly come in 2 sizes. Unlike last year's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which was only available in a single 45mm size, this means that customers who prefer smaller watches will have the option to get a smaller version of the Pro Watch. A welcome change for the Samsung fans. Besides, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was designed for those with an active lifestyle, with a chunky battery and additional features. We've already seen reports that the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will retain its focus on great battery life. Plus, the addition of the physical rotating bezel, the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro promises to be an even better device for fitness enthusiasts and anyone who wants a stylish and functional smartwatch. It's still not clear that when Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Watch 6 series, but it's expected to arrive in the second half of the year. Most probably they will launch it with masterpiece of Z Fold 5, the new foldable smartphone. Samsung fans are already looking forward to the new and improved Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. However, we suggest you to approach these rumors with caution. After all, until official information is released, we can't be sure what to expect. There's no denying the excitement that comes with rumors about new tech releases is irresistible. It's important to treat these rumors with a grain of salt. This is certainly the case with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. While rumors suggest that the much-loved physical rotating bezel will make a comeback, and that the watch will be available in 2 sizes, it's wise to wait for official sources to confirm these details. So that was all about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. What are your thoughts on the rumors surrounding Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Pro? Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any latest information also.